There has been always a debate about should you choose paid ads or should you go with the search engine optimization. And I've been always bullish about SEO, and I'm going to explain you why is that the case. PPC is really good if you have a lot of budget, if you are a big corporation and you want to see the quick results. So if you are in e-commerce business and you have a lot of funds available and you have a lot of funds to burn cash via paid ads like Facebook, TikTok, Google, then paid ads are really good for you. But if you are a small business which is thriving, then I would suggest to go with the organic ways, because if you are running paid ads, the moment you stop the spending on the paid ads, you will stop getting the result. But SEO isn't like that. When you spend on SEO, when you spend your time on SEO, it's going to give you long lasting results. No matter if you give a pause of like few months, the ranking will still be intact. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can improve the SEO of your store, improve the organic ranking to show up on the top of Google, Bing, and other search engine results using an app called SEO and AI SEO and Image Optimizer, which will help you optimize your store with just click of a button. So they have a lot of features which I'm going to go over in this video. And this is the app which I will be discussing in today's video. And as you can see, they have a lot of features. They will help you boost your store speed. They'll help you add AI generated meta, alt text, structured text. You'll be able to detect the 404 errors. You'll be able to automatically scan all of the indexing, speed, tag errors, and all that kind of stuff. And as I told you that you can create compelling product description and add content using ChatGPT AI, meaning you have a full functionality of AI as well. So it is a really cool app, and I am going to show you guys how you can use this app to boost your store SEO. So without further ado, let's get into the screen where I'm going to show you guys how you can optimize your store speed, optimize your SEO, and show up on top of the search engine ranking. Guys, before we proceed, I would like to tell you guys, if you use our coupon code WebSense Pro, you will be getting a 50% off on all of the pricing package for this app. So make sure to use WebSense Pro as a coupon code if you want 50% off and improve SEO of your store. Okay, so let's get into it. So that's the pricing where you'll be getting 50% off if you use the coupon code, and you also have the 7-day free trial. So you can simply use this for 7 days and see if it improves your store and then continue on using that. So that is my development store where I have already installed this app. And when you install the app, you will have it looking like this, where you can see that it's telling you everything about the issues which we need to fix. It's giving you that images we need to optimize that are not compressed. We should be compressing them. We should be adding image alt text. So adding image alt text makes search engine understand that what your image is about. Google understand, or any other search engine, by reading the alt text on the image. If you do not have alt text on your product images, on your website images, then your images might not show up on the search queries which you want them to be visible on. So your keyword optimization will be affected. So it's really a good practice to add image alt text. And they have instant page speed optimization, home page AMP, product page AMP. So these AMP are mobile friendly pages which will load up within an instant within the mobile. So in mobile, we do not suggest to have a really bloated page or really heavy animated page. It's suggested to use AMP pages, which will give your user experience like your page will be loading instantly. Okay, so first let me add password to this store, because it's saying that scanning is incomplete, and now it is scanning. My store was password protected. Now it's scanning it again completely to see what are the issues which we can improve on our store. Okay, now on SEO checker tab, it says that we have these 10 issues. Now we will be fixing this with just like a click. So we will click one click fix, and it is going to fix all of the issues. Let's fix them one by one and see if it improves our SEO site score, right? So let's click on images uncompress, fix all now. And now it's asking to which images you want to uh, optimize. I'm going to select all of that. And then let's click on save and fix. And now it's optimizing all of the images on our store. And here you go. Our images has been optimized. Now we will fix further issues and improve our SEO score. So let's do that. Add the image alt text. I'm going to click on fix all now to add the image alt text. And let's click on save and fix. Okay, our alt text has been added. We got 4 points up from the initial score, and we're still seeing the same thing. Let's click on rescan to see if we still have the image alt text issue. Okay, let's see which one is missing. Okay, we didn't check the collection one, so let's click on that and fix the collection images. Okay, so that's the collection where we need to fix that. Collection image, blog post image. So we didn't check these two items. Now we're going to select these as well to make sure all of the alt text are added to all of the images. Click on save and fix. Okay, our alt text has been fixed. You can see it further improved the score. Now I'm also going to test it from the front end, that whether it added the alt text on the product images. So these are the two products. It's a development store, and let me go to that product and see if it added the alt text on the product image. So that's the product image. I'm going to inspect and see if I have the alt text showing up on the image. So where is my gallery image? Okay, so that's the image tag. And do I see the alt text here? Here it is. So you can see alt equals to. Let me highlight that part for you guys. You guys can see where is the alt text showing up in that code. So that is the alt text. And that is added by our SEO app. So we didn't had to edit any code. We didn't had to go to every single image and add alt text. You could do that easily with this app with just one click for all of the collection, for all of the product, and all of the images on your store. It's that simple. And now we will be working on page speed optimization, and let's click on fix now and let's enable that. Perfect. Our instant page speed optimization has been activated, which will boost our page speed as well. Perfect. Our score has been improved from 68 to 76. And there are further issues. There are some more issues which we'll be fixing, which is on-page SEO. So here it has a complete on-page SEO scan, which will tell you that what are the issues on your store for on-page. Let me give you understanding of what is on-page. So when Google lands on your store or on your website, it reads the meta title, meta description, alt text, H1, H2, H3, then paragraph, then divs. So you should be having a proper hierarchy of heading tags on your on page, and these H1, H2, and H3s should have keywords of your store, which will help Google understand that what your page is about. And that's what the scan will do it for you for all of the pages. So you don't have to manually go on every single page of your store and check if it has H1 tag or if it has H2 tag. It will automatically detect all of the heading tags and give you the error, and you can simply click on fix now to fix all of that issue. Okay, so let's fix the first one where it says multiple H1 tags found, and I'm going to click on fix now. Okay, now it says duplicate H1 found in your theme store. And let's click on that. And now let me see where is my H1 showing up. So here it's saying that duplicate H1 found in your store theme. That it's telling you that it's basically a code level issue which this app cannot solve. So you can contact the app developer to fix the issue. They'll be fixing that for you completely for free. You can see they have free assistance and it's a code level issue on my theme. So if I go on my product page, you can see that's the H1 which is showing up. And if I scroll down, there's another H1 by the name test. So I was testing a different app and this issue is coming up through that app. So I'm going to pause this video here and delete this H1 from my product page and then going to click on recheck to see if the issue is fixed. So let me do that. Okay guys, so I have removed it from my product page. So if I refresh here now, you can see that additional heading is being removed. Now let's test it if our issue has been fixed. So I'm going to click this refresh icon here and then here. And you can see that our issue has been resolved. Now let's go to SEO checker. And if I click on on-page SEO, you can see that our duplicate heading issue has been resolved and it's no longer showing up here. So in my case, it was just 2 products, right? Imagine if you have 1,000 products or if you have like hundreds of products on your store, it is really hard for you to manually go in and check in every single product that whether there is a duplicate heading issue or whether there's a proper hierarchy of headings. And there are many factors which affect SEO, and you should have a really good SEO if you want to rank on Google, because there's a lot of competition and you should be optimizing as much as you can to show up on the top. And this app's gonna help you and save your time a lot. Okay, so we have some other issues in on-page SEO. I am going to click on this and see what other issues which we have. Okay, so let's click on fix now. Okay, now it's saying that meta tags not found in your store theme. So there are no meta tags available in our theme. Again, so guys, it's a code level issues. I would suggest you guys to contact SEO and team to help you with these kind of issues, because these are the code level issues where something is missing from your theme itself. So it's suggested to contact them. Let's fix some other issues which we can improve our SEO score. So you can see that on this product, our SEO score is 8. And here we're going to add focus keyword. We already add alt text, and we can also add AI used blog post. So if you want to create a blog post using AI, you can simply click on here and it will automatically generate a blog post for you. And we can also add AI optimized content for product description, meta title and meta description. I'm also gonna cover meta title, meta description just later in this video. Okay, so let's add keyword first, and we're gonna add like t-shirt, best t-shirt, round neck t-shirt. These are the relevant keyword for my product. You will be adding a relevant keyword from your product. Okay, and here we go. You can see we added the keywords. It improved the SEO score, and it also going to suggest the keyword when you click on add keyword. So when you click on add keyword, it's also going to give you keyword suggestion based on AI and based on Google. So if I click on keyword suggestion, you can see that AI is thinking and giving you suggestion about the keyword which you should be adding on your product, and it's also giving you the Google trend as well. So if I click on that, it's going to explore the Google trend, which will give you the result on how trending your keyword is. So that's our keyword, and that's, you can see interest over time. So that's the volume of the keyword on average daily basis. Cool. Let's add some of the keywords from here, and it's just adding one keyword. Let's add that for now. Perfect. All text already added. Now let's add some content on our product and create a blog post using AI tool of this app. I'm gonna create AI optimized content. So it's just about clicking and it's going to do everything on its own. Okay, so here we have description. So let's generate some description. AI writer, features, tone, let's say playful, uh, round neck t-shirt. That's the feature. I don't need any special instructions. So let's generate our content. Okay. You can see it generated the content. What should be the H2? So first we will be adding our H2. So let's copy that. You can simply click on fill content to fill the content. Let's click on fill content and here you go. I'm going to remove this and add and we have fill content. Okay. And our description is added. Perfect. We should also be adding 1 to 4 pictures in the description as well, which is also suggesting, but I'm going to skip that part because I don't want to be that long video and I want to cover all of the app features. Okay. Let's add in the meta title and add in the meta description as well. So just click on this fill content link and it's going to add in all of the information on the desired places. Fill content. Perfect. Set product tag. Okay. T-shirt. Add tag. Perfect. Okay, let's click on save and see if we improved our score. And here you can see our score has moved from around 20s to 61. We will be adding images. It's going to be around 80. So this is how we can improve the product page score for on-page SEO. And you didn't have to think much about the content to add. You didn't have to think about the heading, the H2s, the paragraph, all that kind of stuff was automatically generated with this app. Now let's create the AI generated blogs related to this blog post. Let's click on this, create a blog based on this product. So just click on that and it's going to automatically show up whatever you need to have on your blog. Okay, it's going to ask some of the questions. It's asking which product you want to associate. I want this product to be associated for that blog. Generate based on product. Okay, let's click select topic and keyword. And here we have the topics being displayed. And as you can see, is also suggesting us the keyword, trend, competition, average monthly volume, and volume, all of that kind of stuff. It's telling us that the competition is very high and the trend is 0. So we should be focusing on it. It's not currently showing medium or low level competition because in t-shirt and in clothing niche, there is really high competition when you're selling t-shirts. So ideally, you should be finding on low competition and high trend keywords, right? So let's check mark some of the high trending keywords here. Just 33% and 45%. That's good. Select competitor site. Okay. Settings saved. Okay guys, after loading for a few seconds, now it's showing the competition and it's asking us that we can select the top performing content. So these are the top performing content based on our keyword. And now let's click on next. And here it's suggesting you the title and you can regenerate by clicking on regenerate. Let's click on regenerate to see if it's regenerating these titles. So here it regenerated, adding few more letters. And it's SEO friendly. As you can see, it's showing the keyword on the starting 2-3 words, which is good and optimal for SEO. So let's click on, let's go with the first one, then click on let's write. Now it's going to write the content for our blog post. Okay guys, so our content is ready to go. We have our H1 showing up on top. We have our content and we have multiple H3s, right? And we also have an external link and internal link of the store as well. That is also SEO thing, which you should know that if you have a page, you should also have some internal links of other pages of your store or of your website. That is one of the on-page SEO optimization, you can say, hack or tip, to add an internal link of your website within the page. Okay, now let's click on apply and edit it. Okay, perfect. You can see focus keyword added by this app, and here we have the title, and you can see all of the blog posts, and here are the other blog posts which I had. It's giving you this SEO score for those other blog posts as well. Currently our score is 49, right? And it's some other suggestion which is also being showing up here, which is this here. So target keyword should be included. We already have the keyword included. Talk about, okay, we can still improve further, but I'm not gonna go over every single thing here because it's gonna take a really long time if I cover every single topic. So these are the basic things which you should be covering, that you should have 100 words, like your keywords need to appear in H2, all of that kind of stuff you need to go over using these indicators and improve the SEO score as much as you can, right? Now let's click on publish and let's see if we covered everything in our app. Okay guys, so we did the SEO checker thing and we checked all of the on page of our store. We did the speed optimization by improving the image and compressing the image. We did the on page SEO scan for our product, added meta title, and we also created an SEO optimized blog post using this app. Now normally it would take you a lot of time if you have multiple products. You have multiple products and you want to generate content for that. It's a lot of manual work and it's a lot of research, and you'll have to use external tools to check on-page SEO if you know about SEO. And if you're just adding all of the content blindly, then your content is not SEO optimized, and it's going to be really difficult. It's going to be really hard for you to rank your website on the search engines. Okay, now let's click on search appearance to see if we have an issue. We can bulk edit our meta tag. We can set up Google structure data. So what is Google structure data? Let me show you. So if I Google round neck t-shirt, and so these are coming from Google Merchant Center. I'm going to cover that up as well. So you can see this website where it's selling crew neck t-shirts. So that's our meta title, and that is our meta description, and this line is called structure data. Google structure data. So this type of results help to get more better CTR. CTR meaning click-through rate, meaning if you have a 1% CTR, meaning out of every 100 visits on the Google search, you are getting 1 click. So if I search round neck t-shirt and your website show up 100 times when someone searched round neck t-shirt, and out of 100, 1 people clicked on that result, it's going to be a 1% CTR, right? And out of 100 searches, 10 times you are being clicked, then it's called 10% CTR. That is called CTR. And when you add structure data on your store, it's going to improve your CTR, meaning you'll be clicked more and you'll be getting more traffic organically. You can see here we have the star rating showing up, and here we have the pricing. All of that is called structure data. So you can simply click on setup JSON LD and it's going to add the Google structure data based on whatever product you have. You can bulk edit meta tags, so you don't have to go to product pages individually or blog page individually to edit the meta tag. You can simply click on bulk edit meta tag. Set up local business. What is local business? So if I search for any brand, you will see a Google listing on the side. Let's search for any famous brand, let's suppose. So you can see that is whatever showing on the sidebar. It's a really big company, so they have a lot of different stuff showing up, but you can also set this up using this local business, which is basically a Google map thing. It will create the local business in Google map and you will be showing up in the Google searches. Instant index, meaning you will not need to manually submit the indexing. So what happens is that you will need to create a Google Search Console when you want to submit your indexing to Google. In this case, it's going to automatically do that. You just have to enable the instant index here, and you will add some required information here, and it's going to automatically index your website. Here we have the option to connect to Google Analytics. I hope you guys all know about Google Analytics. It's a tool which will measure all of the traffic on your website, which pages are being visited, how long they are being visited for, all of that kind of stuff is related to Google Analytics. You can simply connect to Google and it will take you to Google Analytics and your website will be connected. Okay, now let's go to link management. So what is link management? So when you create your website or your store, there are some indicators for Google to understand that whether you should be ranking on top or whether you should be ranking on the 10th page of the Google search. And how Google measures that, it's basically how big of a brand you are, what's your social media visibility, and one of the factor is backlinks, where if other websites are linking or referring your website through links, then Google thinks that you should be coming on top. Like if the number one result on the Google search have 100 backlinks, meaning 100 websites referring through them with the links, then your website on the top. But if you have if you want to beat that competition, you should be targeting for 120 backlinks, high quality backlinks. And within the backlinks, there's further stuff, which is the quality of the link, quality of the page, the link which you're getting from, and a lot of that kind of stuff. So you can do that backlink audit by clicking on this view backlink. So if I click on view backlink, it's going to give me the audit. So let's enable that to see what it shows. Okay, so it's not going to show for the development store because our domain is still myshopify.com, and if it's going to work completely fine if you are on a live website. And here we have the option of fix broken links, and here we have the option of exchange backlinks. So in order to improve the quality of your backlinks and the number of your backlinks, there is a way which we can do that by exchanging the links. So you'll be reaching out to other store owners or other websites which are the similar niche but not actually selling, not actually your direct competitors. You can just email them and ask them about exchanging the link. So they link your website and you will link theirs. That will help both of these websites coming on top of the Google. And here is the HTML sitemap. So sitemap is normally generated in an XML format in Shopify. So if I go to my store and type in sitemap.xml, that's how the sitemap looks like in Shopify. But Google suggests to have an HTML sitemap, which is fast to load and fast to index by Google. So your page is going to index faster than the other store if you generate the HTML sitemap. Normally, it requires a lot of coding knowledge to generate an HTML sitemap, but in this app, you can simply click on generate HTML sitemap and it's going to generate the HTML sitemap for you. So let's do that and click on view sitemap. And here you can see our HTML sitemap is ready. So that's how easy it was to set up an HTML sitemap. Imagine you had 100 products and you are creating an HTML sitemap. How long it's going to take you? It's going to take forever, right? Okay, let's go to keyword research. Here we can research that which keywords are getting more traffic and which keywords are low in competition. So ideally, you should be focusing on low competition, trending and high volume keywords where you have more chances to rank and more chances to get more traffic from the Google searches. So eventually you can get more sales, right? Here we have the keyword gap, your current website keywords, which is analyze my keywords, competitors, all of the keyword stuff is in here. And these reports are really helpful if you want to rank better on Google. And I think that's it for the video, guys. I have covered briefly about the app functionality. There are a lot of stuff which I could go in and explore more. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to create a specific thing, like if you want me to go over the keyword research in the app and show you guys what keyword should be targeting. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to create another video on that, Also, make sure to use our coupon code if you want 50% discount for SEO and app. And that's it for the video. Until next video, have a great day.